Hey guys, this is Miguel Delgado, aka Chef Miguelito, and welcome to Chef Miguelito TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to make mango ice cream with few ingredients the healthy way. Let's go! We add the ingredients one by one in the blender. You can use any blender. It happened to be that mine is a Ninja Chef, but you don't need that. We pour our mix in silicone forms. And make sure it's nice and even. Place them in your freezer for at least 3 hours. I usually do it in the evening, so I leave it there the whole night. So after 3 hours have passed, you're gonna cut them into small pieces and place them in your blender. Blend it for at least 5 to 6 seconds, and then you want the consistency to be flaky and kinda smoothie, like here in the video. And make sure you put it in a plastic container. And spread it evenly. So after you're done with the full process, you have to put it back in the freezer for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can see that your ice cream is nice, silky. And a pro tip for you, when you will eat your ice cream for the second time, take it out of the freezer and let it sit outside for at least 10 minutes so it can be nice, smooth, and silky again. This is Chef Miguelito checking out, and if you like this video, click like so it'll help me to reach out to more people, and subscribe my channel if you want to see more recipes like this one. See you next time.